Manchester Mayfield Station opened by the London North Western Railway on the 8th of August 1910. The reason the station was built because Manchester Piccadilly Station, also known as Manchester London Road Station, which is behind me, was getting quite difficult to operate trains in and out of the station when the London North Western Railway were operating their services. It was the local services and the mainline services that were getting quite congestive. So the solution was to build a new station next door to Piccadilly Station called Mayfield. From Manchester Mayfield Station you get services to Crewe, Buxton and the Macclesfield lines. During the modernisation and electrification of Piccadilly Station, Mayfield Station came to its own when many services were diverted into the station, but the station did close on the 28th of August 1960. 10 years later the station reopened as a goods station for parcel traffic, but 16 years later after it opened for goods traffic in 1986 the station closed to all traffic. However, the station did get used for a television drama series called Prime Suspect. It was used as a drug dealer hideout. Sadly, the roadside buildings got gutted by a fire in 2005. The cobbled ramp takes you from the road level to the platform level. This part is still used today by Network Rail to gain access to the main line.
What's that? Oh, no, it's a cable.
It's for the services and the CCTV.
But it wasn't there last week. That's CTC. No, but that was there last week.
All right.
Have you come from far?
Rugeley.
Where?
Rugeley, Staffordshire.
Oh, Staffordshire, right, yeah. Good, we get lots of people from lots of different places. Have you come from far? No, well then, that's a no. It would have served you, this line. Are you so similar?
Marple, yeah.
Marple, alright, okay. Well, you're all on the lines that came out of this station.
Yeah.
streets, they are very, very, very disturbed. Had a little tunnel that came across from there as well, so you could go between the two sites on the for the parcels. That will disappear, that building, when HS2 arrives in 2733 along that side there. It's not going to go along here, it's going to go along that side. Like I say, deeply unpopular for metal as the CIS tower, which is just behind me. It is scheduled, there is a bit of a campaign to keep the airline resilient. The architects, some respects, modernist piece of ground. I mean, I wish they wouldn't come down. I think there's a lot that could be done with it. There's a lot that could rescue that. Manchester is an architectural lexicon. And what we don't want to lose is just because we don't like it. We don't want to lose that. But not really that one, but just stick closer into January Road. It's the old garden, old. Yes.
Shows platform 1, which is on the right, and platform 2, which is on the left, looking towards the buffers.
Major manifestation in industrial metropolis. Then the oldest of these were powered by water. So we had pump houses around central Manchester, one of which survives, is the People's History Museum. And these were curtains and theatres was powered by water. These buffers were powered by water. But what it was principally for was underneath all those textile warehouses at a time when Manchester controlled 80% of all the world's trade in finished cotton. Deeply compact them as much as you can, so you can transport as much cotton as possible across the world. Saying, please beware of brutes on the platforms, which is sound advice at the best of times. These ones you could wheel onto the. Went into London Road Station. That was the President, Woodrow Wilson. She stayed over in the town hall, and then he went to the Free Trade Hall to deliver this, and then he left with this stage. And he said, Manchester has been at the centre of the great, which is appropriate for Manchester, which is a little wooden yacht. A wooden yacht with a jaunty sail. Remember that? It's like glue apparently. I remembered everything about it. Those are excellent. And where the tile work is, and just to the right where the bridge was, and that was blocked up again when they built the park. So
This scene shows platforms 3, 4 and 5.
So yes, in the summer months this was the street food vending place with its predominant purples because of the colour of the area is really heavily bombed. So they're all going to disappear, and that's where the park's going to be, more or less. The second one of these industrial... Where's that gentleman who walks on the mat? Dear me. Got me told off, he did. Yes, so this is the second depot, the western depot, of course. It's... You can see the rising arches there. That's the causeway that we walked up. The most poignant time in the history of this building was definitely during World War I. Some college buildings, and they were first 225 beds and 500 beds. And throughout the war, there were a lot of different disparate sites in Manchester, more than 200,000 people there, and they crowded eagerly to the doors. Quickly and calmly, the task of transportation to the hospital on Sackville Street was carried out under the supervision of the medical officers. So tens and tens of thousands of soldiers came through here who were wounded. By the time the battle was Somme, it's so efficient getting wounded soldiers from the battlefield to a train, to the ferry, to another train, that they were arriving in Manchester still with mud on their uniforms.
That's on the right.
On the final approach now into Manchester Piccadilly, your final calling point on today's journey. Got myself and the rest of the crew, trying to urge you try and have a safe onward journey. Remember to take all your belongings with you folks, and do take care when stepping from the train down onto the platform. As you leave us here at Manchester, something to think about, folks, something to leave you with. Now, certain songs that defined our youth through the generations. Certain songs from the 50s, Bill Haley on the Comets, Rock Around the Clock. The 60s, My Generation, Mother Who. 70s, The Dancing Queen by ABBA. Moving on to the 80s, who can forget Simple Minds, Don't You Forget About Me. To the 90s, Nirvana, Smells Like Teen Spirit. Here we are in 2018 with another song that will define our generation. Yes, to sit alongside the classics. Classic.